On this vast canvas of earth, the journey of countless lives becomes exciting when struggles blend into the soil, igniting efforts, merging emotions, connecting with passion, and shaping aspirations in the mold of hope. In the ancient art of brickmaking, earth is molded by water, shaped with air, and transformed by fire into strong signs of human creativity and strength. This timeless craft speaks to the sustainability and natural essence of clay as a building material, a tradition rooted in the earth's diversity and resilience. We honor this tradition by producing a variety of brick types using innovative methods such as extrusion, handmade techniques, hand simulation, pressed blocks, and the unique Hubert style. Each brick embodies a blend of nature's elements and human ingenuity. To achieve this, advanced technology is integrated into every step, from clay preparation to firing and drying. Yet, beyond machinery, it's the craftsmanship and artistry of human hands that truly transform clay into a magical building material. It's a magic that enhances the skill of the earth, designs that captivate the soul, creating a home within everyone's heart. Our projects around the world stand as testaments to Jay Jalaram Brick's contributions to architecture. From iconic structures to sustainable developments, our bricks have shaped the modern landscape, blending tradition with contemporary design. Even in today's world of evolving construction materials, bricks remain the most suitable choice for their durability, insulation properties, and timeless aesthetic appeal. They continue to inspire architects and builders, preserving the legacy of brick construction. Every brick of Jay Jalaram is a testament of courage, a pride in touch, the strength of artistry, and a uniquely remarkable style, weaving a journey from the incredible earth to the realm of elegance. It's a brick that finds its place in the heart, hailed by Jalaram, named Jay Jalaram